Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Facebook experience and cut down on those distracting notifications, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable other notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, all based on the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log in if you haven't already, and you'll find yourself on the familiar Facebook homepage. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a quick menu. From here, select the page you manage by clicking on its name or profile photo. Once you're on your page, look for your page's profile photo again, usually at the top left of the page. Click on it to access your page's main dashboard. Next, it's time to dive into the settings. On the left-hand menu, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down options. With the Settings page open, look for the Notifications tab in the left sidebar. Click on Notifications to open up all the notification settings available for your page. Here, you'll see a variety of notification types. But for now, let's focus on other notifications. Find and click on Other Notifications. This section controls alerts that aren't directly related to posts, comments, or messages, things like reminders or suggestions from Facebook. To finally put an end to these extra alerts, simply find the option that says Allow Notifications on Facebook and toggle it off. Once you've done this, Facebook will stop sending those additional notifications to your page, helping you stay focused on what matters most. And that's it. You've just disabled other notifications for your Facebook page. Enjoy a cleaner, less distracting Facebook experience, and don't forget to check out our other guides for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.